To download and install the network system software, first open your internet browser and go to www.plrelectronics.com. Once the page is loaded, click on the Services tab. Scroll down to the USB Floppy Network Model Information and Accessories and click on the link. Here is where we have written details about our network drives. We have the overview, what's included, installation, which we will be going over shortly, hardware configuration for the network ID numbers, operation, and download. The link to download the software is in the download section. Click here when you are ready to download. Select the Open With option and click OK. Open the RP NTFS 2.0 setup file. Select the setup file that says Application under its file type. The setup wizard will pop up, then click Next to continue. The second page allows you to select the folder where the setup will install the files. If you prefer the software to be saved in a different file than what is currently shown, click the Browse button and select the desired file. Otherwise, click Next to continue. No changes need to be made to this next screen, so click Next to continue. The installation will begin. When downloading is completed, click Finish to close out the installation wizard. Now that the installation wizard is completed, all other windows can be closed out. There should now be 3 new icons added onto your desktop. The English version of the software ends in ENU. Locate that icon and double-click to open. The other versions are different languages of the network software. Whichever icons are not needed may be deleted at your convenience. Once the preferred program is opened, a log on window will appear. Enter 6 lowercase a's for both the username and password to log on. You have now successfully logged and downloaded the network software. The username and password can be changed by opening the System menu and clicking on the User Management. From here, click the Add button. Create a new username and password for the new administrator. Make sure that the administrator option is selected. Then click OK. Other operators can be added by clicking the Add button in the window. Create a username and password for them. Make sure the operator option is selected and click the Detail button. This gives the operator permission to perform certain tasks while securing other operations for administrator use only. When you're finished, click OK. Once the list of administrators and operators have been added, log in as the user administrator and delete the username with 6 A's to secure your network system. Close out the first window, go back to System, click on Log On/Out, enter the new login for the new administrator, go back to the User Management window, select the username with 6 A's, and click Delete. Now you have secured your network system. If your computer has no serial port, you must use the optional USB to serial port adapter provided with your network drive and view the network hardware video before continuing. If your computer does have a serial port, you can connect the serial port directly into your computer and continue setting up the parameters. Open the System menu and click on Transfer Parameter. Select COM1 if you have a serial port in your computer and you can connect the network adapter directly into your computer. Otherwise, if you're using a USB adapter, select the corresponding COM number that was assigned after downloading the drivers for the USB to serial port adapter. It will be a number between 1 and 20. If you're unsure about what your COM number is, please view our network hardware video to learn the location of your COM number. Then select the correct node number that corresponds with your network ID number. Your correct node number is located under the Hardware Configuration section found on our Network Drive Instructions page on our website. Please see our network hardware video for instructions about your drive's network ID number, and see our general operation video for more details about the USB floppy drive list. The speed should be 115,200 BPs. Enter 0 as the first number, and select 1 for the mode. When the parameters are set correctly, click OK. If you selected the correct COM number, you should now see a list of USB drives. If the incorrect COM number was selected, nothing will appear in the USB drive list. So this is one way to know if the correct COM number was selected. You are now set up and ready to use your network system.